welcome back. I hope you had a joyous weekend. Thank you for joining me today as we do our calendar for Monday. Again, we're still working with 2D shapes and folding those 2D shapes into equal parts, into fractions. So let's get started. Our numerical date is up at the top. It is our date written with only numbers, so 4 for April. April's the 4th month of our year. 27 for the day of April that we're on today, and our year is 2020. So 4/27/2020. Now let's write our date with words. So we need to pull down the day of the week, and today is Monday, and the month is April. We have one more week of April, and the day is 27. The 27th, and our year is 2020. So now that we have it written, we're ready to read it. So ready, set, read. Monday, April 27th, 2020. So on the side of the screen, we have our days of the week in order: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Monday, which means yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. We're going to be reading a nonsense word. That's a word that's silly and you wouldn't see in the real world. We're going to first give ourselves some consonants, and then a vowel, and then one more consonant. And if this word happens to be real, we will clap. So we're going to first decide what kind of sound our vowel is making. So we look for the vowel, and we look after it. And I see one vowel followed by one or more consonants. So this is going to be the short sound, so And we have an interesting blend here, so g, n, gn. All right, so first we're going to rehearse the word, which means to sound out each letter. Then we're going to perform it, put those sounds together as a word. So ready, set, rehearse. Gin up. Ready, set, read. Gin up. That's a nonsense word. We are working with fractions and folding shapes this month. So this is one whole. There is nothing folded or put into fractions here. 1/2, that means the shape is folded or cut into 2 equal pieces. And 1/4, that means the shape has been cut or folded into 4 equal pieces. So 1/4, 1/2, 1 whole. Over the weekend we had 2 different shapes. So on Saturday we had the letter O, and that was a circle. And then yesterday on Sunday we had a pentagon, a 5-sided shape. And that letter O folded into 4 equal parts and it was symmetrical. And the pentagon folded into 2 equal parts and it was symmetrical. So you're going to see both our calendar cards and our observation chart on the screen. Take a look at them both and make a prediction about what you think today's shape will be and how many equal parts it might fold into. When you have your prediction, you can share it with someone. Again, you're making a prediction about how many equal parts the shape will fold into, or if they won't fold into any equal parts, and what kind of shape it will be. Let's reveal. Here's our calendar card for today. So we're going to work with this shape. We're going to see what kind of shape we can classify it as and if it can fold into any equal parts. So our first step is to count up the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that we can call a 4-sided shape a quadrilateral. So now let's see if it can fold into any equal parts. I'm first going to fold the top to the bottom and then the side to the side. So trying to fold from top to bottom as best I can. And what I'm looking for is equal parts, so it looks fine on this side. But on this side we have a lot of extra shapes sticking up. So this is not an equal part. So now I'm going to unfold it and try folding from side to side. So taking this side and folding it to the opposite side. And what I notice is I have some extra shape peeking up here. And when I turn it over, I have all this shape down here. So this is not folding into any equal parts. So now that we've worked with our shape, we can go ahead and fill in our observation chart. So now that we've worked with our shape, we're going to go ahead and fill in our observation chart. So today we had a quadrilateral. That was a shape with 4 sides. However, this quadrilateral had no equal parts and it was not symmetrical. We're at the end of our calendar, so I'm going to pick a question from the question jar. And today's question is, do you like bunnies or chickens? Bunnies or chicks? I really want chickens, so I think I have to go with chicks. So when you have your answer, you can answer above in the survey if you are on a desktop, or down below in the comments, or you can hop on over to Google Classroom and answer there. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!